no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is actually number 15 of our daily devotionals. We have been doing the Jesus Calling by Sarah Young. It's a 365-day daily devotionals. Super great content. It has just been so much fun. And then like all the comments and the likes and the shares, you guys are absolutely awesome. I swear you are. I love that people have been putting their prayer requests like in the comments. I love that. Oh my gosh, I love that, because then you've got all these eyes on those comments and all these other people that can be praying alongside you. I just think it's fantastic. But anyways, if you have missed any of those episodes, I will have those linked in the description box below. And if you are wondering why I'm doing the daily devotionals and not my DIYs, then you have missed a lot. So I will leave those videos linked in the description box below as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Okay, so number 15. Oh. We have a visitor. Are you both going to get up here? Look, what are you doing? What is it? No, you got to get down. Mommy's trying to film. You got to get in the floor. No, get down. I'm trying to film. You two are taking over the show. Y'all got to get down. You're going to knock my stuff down. Okay, you two. No, I know it. I know it. Mama loves y'all so much. I know it. I know it. All right, get down. Sorry, guys. Hang on a minute. I'll be right back. Oh, my word. I don't know what I would do without the dogs, to be honest with you. I would be bored out of my mind, I think, if I did not have these dogs. But anyways, sorry, let's get back to the devotional. So today is number 15, and I'm going to show you all the page and then let you guys kind of zoom in on the passages there from the Bible. There's Philippians 4:7, Matthew, and I believe also Hebrews is on our devotional today. But I wanted to be sure and let you guys be able to see those verses in case you wanted to, read alongside or something. Okay, number 15. My face is shining upon you, beaming out peace that transcends understanding. You are surrounded by a sea of problems, but you are face to face with me, your peace. As long as you focus on me, you are safe. If you gaze too long at the myriad problems around you, you will sink under the weight of your burdens. When you start to sink, simply call out, "Help me, Jesus," and I will lift you up. The closer you live to me, the safer you are. Circumstances around you are undulting, and there are treacherous-looking waves in the distance. Fix your eyes on me, the one who never changes. By the time those waves reach you, they will have shrunk to proportions of my design. I am always beside you, helping you face today's waves. The future is a phantom, seeking to spook you. Laugh at the future and stay close to me. That's very good. All right, so the verses for today. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Philippians 4:7. That was in a previous devotional that we had, a couple of them back, that verse. It was one of the first ones that we did. That is such a good verse. And I remember learning this one and then, always knowing that one, the peace of God, which transcends all understanding. I love that. Okay. Then Peter got down out of the boat, walked on the water, and came toward Jesus. But when he saw the wind, he was afraid and began to sink. Cried out, "Lord, save me." Matthew 14:29 and 30. Let us fix our eyes upon Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy set before him endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. Hebrews 12:2. That's very good. Let us fix our eyes upon Jesus, the author and perfecter of our faith, who for the joy set down before him endured the cross, scorning its shame, and sat down at the right hand of the throne of God. Hebrews 12:2. That's so good. You know, I guess this devotional itself is really more or less talking about living a life close to God. And obviously, that's going to be the best thing that you could possibly do. I mean, I've tried it both ways, and trust me, it's a lot better with God on your side, I promise. But yeah, I mean, just, you know, keeping that faith and trying to do your best to get in the Word some and pray and, you know, just develop that relationship with the Lord, so that when things do start to happen, or you do have a bad day, or, you know, something traumatic happens in your life, you can lean on that. You can fall back on that faith that you already have established, you know. So, yeah, it's definitely best to stay close to God, for sure. Yep. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I want to ask you one more time if you will definitely give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.